If you're running any kind of paid traffic campaigns online, you want to make sure that your tracking codes are set up properly. Even the smallest mistake can lead to huge headaches down the line. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up tracking codes inside a platform called Unbounce, which is a landing page A/B testing software. I'm going to jump into my screen in a few seconds and then walk you through exactly how to set this up. And it won't matter if you're setting up Facebook ads tracking, if you're setting up Google Analytics tracking or Google Tag Manager, it's all going to be done the same way inside the platform. So let's jump into my screen in 3, 2, 1. All right, so here I am inside Unbounce, and you're familiar with this interface if you've used Unbounce before. And to install the tracking codes, what you're going to do is actually navigate over to the settings page and then click on the script manager option. All right, great. So once you're in the script manager, you can actually see any new scripts you add here. So if you want to add your Google Analytics code or your Google Tag Manager, they'll pop up one by one. What I would recommend is probably using something like Google Tag Manager, which I have another video on that. Feel free to check the links below. So that way you can have all your tags in one place and just install one code on sites like Unbounce or Instapage. So if you want to add a new script, click on Add a Script. Go ahead and select what you're going to be using. And if you're going to be using something like Facebook ads and you're not using Tag Manager, you can go ahead and click on custom script and just type in Facebook ads here. And then you can add the script that way. And I'm just going to show you how that looks really quick before going back. And basically it's pretty straightforward here. You can select the domains to use if you only want to use it on some of the domains, because you can have multiple domains. You can select where the code needs to be placed, if it's in the head or below. And you can select which pages you want it to fire on. And you can click here to deselect or select those pages. So it's pretty straightforward, really easy to use. And if you wanted to use something like Google Tag Manager, just go over here, click on Add a Script, and then you can add your Google Tag Manager code here directly. So they make it pretty easy for you. Great, so here I am in Google Tag Manager. I'm just gonna copy my ID right there. And then I'm gonna go back to Unbounce, and I'm just gonna paste in my ID here. So all I do is click on Add Script Details. And then that's pretty much it. Now all I have to do is click on Save and Publish Script. I can also choose which pages to fire it on. So I'm going to go ahead and type in that and give it a few seconds. All right, it's still going. Hold on, just a few more seconds. Man, this is taking a long time. Hold on, hang in there. There we go. All right. Cool. So now you can see that the script has been added. You can see my container ID right here. And you can see the domains that they're on, how many pages it's enabled for. And if I go to Script Manager, I can now see Google Tag Manager is there and is now enabled. So this is how you can make sure you're tracking across all your pages at once, and you're not actually manually pasting the scripts and codes each time on each individual page, because you're just going to forget and it's going to get mixed up. So this is the way to add tracking inside of Unbounce. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any questions at all, throw them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to check them out. I read all the comments, so all right, it's that easy. Thanks for watching.